Okay, we're going to talk about my two favorite methods to really baseline think about streamer fishing. And what I'm talking about in this scenario is my retrieve. So if I'm doing a swing retrieve, or if I'm doing a um, like a jerk retrieve. And those two different things, I like two different approaches. This is very baseline. So let's imagine that on this mat here, these lines, these are the direction of the flow of the river. Okay. And we'll say this side over here is upriver. Okay. So on a swing, what I want is my fly to come down in and gently swing within the direction of the current, always managing my speed, coming in and gently managing along the direction of the current. The reason I like that is your bait fish are typically sitting on the substrate and they're sitting in alignment with current. They're not darting around all crazy in most cases. And so I like to imitate those bait fish in that manner. And I like to do those things like you talk about, the lifts that get that to flutter a little bit, maybe adding in a mend to get it to swing a little bit more, or swing a little bit less and slow the speed down. But that's my in alignment presentation, usually for the swing. Now, on a jerk strip, I typically use a slightly larger pattern. Sometimes I have a trailer, which I really like. In a jerk strip scenario, I like to come across the grain of my current. And the reason I like that is that jerk strip mentality. What I'm trying to do is present in front of fish in a cross pattern. So I'm trying to come across their face and trigger a reaction from that standpoint. So I will jerk my bait across the current alignment. So those are the two major methods I use when I start thinking about my fly fishing, either being in alignment with current or cross alignment with current. Now, when I say cross alignment, it's not always 90 degrees. It can very well be down to 30 or 25 degrees, but it's a faster cross current approach versus a swing that might be, say, 15 to 20 degrees. But that 15 to 20 degrees is very slow and methodical across, but more so in alignment with the stream current. So there you go. Those are my two methods for attacking fish with your streamers, either cross stream or cross current and in alignment with current. Good luck out there.